So my headset is on 25 and the dial is on 22. On 2. We are on 2. Ready? Ready, on 2. Ready, set, hut, 2. Okay, so anyways. So I told you, Max, that I had something to bring you back to high school. So Max, I'd like to now recite for you one of the great soliloquies of all time. To be or not to be? Whether it is nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to set off. You remember, Max? Do you know what is this, Max? What am I talking? What's coming out? Who is it? It's William Shakespeare, who said, a rose by any other name would smell as sweet. And he also said, what's in a name? Which is why, if Greg thinks he's going to be a movie star, he needs to change his name. Greg Martin will never be a famous musician, Can the crown what? Well, you can be heard because you're right there because you're talking to me, but if you're, right? What's not picking up anything? Well, when I'm talking and you're laughing, can we hear that? I don't know. No? Sound is coming through my microphone? Interesting. I think that if Greg wants to really be that rock star, he needs to change his name to Martin Roski, right? Like something like that, or Jamboree Julie Jamboree. That should be his name. We'll call him Julie Jamboree. Come to Camp Wazoo and meet Julie Jamboree. All right, I think we're done. You need more? Let's try that. Let us try that.